So hello guys, we're doing stopover here in a place called Nowhere. Inspired by the Avengers. Is it Avengers there? Yung Nowhere. Guys, we still have no signal here. It's stating SOS signal. So we don't know what place is this, but we can see on the other side of the road there's a Mackenzie. There, Mackenzie Junction. So it says Mackenzie. It's there at that side of the road, guys. It's saying Mackenzie. So we're not sure if it's really Mackenzie place, but the signboard here on my left says that Mackenzie Junction. So guys, there my advice is after before you pass by Chetwynd no dear?
After Chetwynd
yeah, before you pass by Chetwynd, yeah,
pag galing ka ng Prince George, may dadaan ng ganito before Chetwynd.
Petro Canada, no? So before you skip Chetwynd, guys, you need to load your gasoline tank because it's really a long way. This road, ano na yan? Caribou, no? Caribou Highway. It's a long highway. So you need to have a leak from Chetwynd, guys, because it's really tough road. Yeah, paganon.
No?
Yes, because it's a long distance from Chetwynd, so you need to put some gas. When you see this Petro Canada in Mackenzie signboard, I don't know if it's really Mackenzie place, but according to the signboard at my left, it says Mackenzie Junction, and then the sign at the right, yeah, right signboard, it says Mackenzie. And there's Petro Canada. We're staying here at Petro Canada. So we filled up our tank here. We have a lot of gas, but we don't want to take the risk of not filling our truck, guys. Right there, there's a restaurant here. Are you hungry?
No.
Okay, so we're not yet hungry, guys. So later on Prince George, we're gonna settle at Prince George before we push through, yeah, St. Williams. Quick break, 15 minutes quick break before the kick in again to the highway. Ang fayat mo, dear. Fayat. You're so fayat. I lose weight, but still I'm chubby. I'm still, what do you call this, curvy. But you're skinny. Too skinny. How many weight you are?
I don't know.
Yes, guys. So we're just standing up because our previous stopover, we're just sitting around in our truck. So now we're just standing for the next few minutes of our stay here in our Petron Canada break. Pero nakalagay doon, no? 570B Hart Highway. So it says on the restaurant, guys, it says Hart Highway, 570B Hart HART Highway, guys. So there's no signal here. It's just SOS signal. So you need to stop here after Chetwynd. Ha? Ano nang gagawin?
Yun na yun.
Yung punta natin?
Oo.
Yeah.
Hindi na ako tatawid dun.
Hindi na.
No?
Ay, paano? Dito, ganyan.
Pagano'n na.
Oo nga. Okay. We still have how many more minutes before we
go? How many more minutes left?
I don't know. Okay, guys. See you later. On our next stop, Prince George, guys. Okay? Because we just stop over here, guys, because we need to fill our tanks and we need to use the toilet. Okay, see you later. Bye. See you soon.
Good day.
Have a good day.